Streamlining ETL processes for big data. Data variety. Big data has diverse formats: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. ETL tools must handle everything. This includes relational databases, JSON files, and multimedia content. Data volume. Massive datasets can strain traditional ETL workflows. This can cause bottlenecks and slow processing times. Key strategies for streamlining ETL processes. Automate ETL workflows. Automation is a cornerstone for streamlining ETL processes. Automating repetitive tasks like data extraction, cleaning, and transformation can help organizations. It can reduce errors, save time, and free up resources for more valuable work. Adopt an ELT approach. Traditional ETL workflows perform transformations before loading data into a data warehouse. However, powerful cloud platforms have made ELT, extract, load, transform, popular. Leverage cloud-based ETL solutions. Cloud platforms are designed to handle big data scalability and complexity. Migrating ETL processes to the cloud allows organizations to scale resources dynamically based on workload. Use distributed processing frameworks. Distributed frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark can process large datasets efficiently. They do this by dividing workloads across multiple nodes. This ensures that ETL pipelines remain fast and responsive, even as data volumes grow. Implement real-time ETL pipelines. For businesses needing instant insights, real-time ETL pipelines are crucial. This includes fraud detection and stock market analysis. Real-time ETL minimizes latency by processing data as it arrives, enabling faster decision-making. Focus on data quality and governance. Poor quality data can undermine the effectiveness of analytics and decision-making. Streamlined ETL processes must have strong data quality checks and governance. This ensures data integrity. Conclusion. In conclusion, streamlining ETL for big data is key. It helps organizations gain value from their growing datasets. Automation, ELT, cloud solutions, and real-time pipelines can help. They can overcome big data challenges.